painting peeps, it's Kathleen from COZ Creations, and as always I am so glad you're here. We're going to be channeling a little Sarah Mac today and some Melody. We're going to do a cloud pour. I got this really cool big jug of that gold paint from Artist Loft, and I'm going to use that as my base coat. Here I am prepping my canvas. We're going to be using some wonderful fun colors, the Chroma Molten Metal Metallics, and I have listed all those paints for you at the end of the video, as well as some dried results. But these colors are yummy. They're silky. There they are. Let me see, what colors did we use? We used the whole bundle, the Xanadu Gold, the Aged Bronze, the Dorado Gold, the Copper, and the Rojo Gold. And I also added a little bit of Artist Loft Metallic Teal in there. These colors were so warm and fun. Now, I also prepared some satin enamel mix. There we go. I mixed 50% of the Artist Loft white with 50% of the satin enamel white. And I mixed that with my pouring medium. Look, there's my puppy dog. That's Foster. He hangs out down in the studio with me. We're good to go here. We are layering those colors in my cup, and I put 3 layers in, and between each layer I added a little bit of the satin enamel mix, and then I ended with the satin enamel mix. There it is. That's a pretty cup. Let's hope that it looks pretty on that canvas. Now this baby wore me out. This is a pretty good sized canvas, and it had a good amount of paint on it, and I tilted this guy for probably an hour and 20 minutes until I got it to a point where I was real happy with it. So I got a bit of a workout. Now you saw me there move my cup a little bit forward. By doing that, when you start to stretch your canvas, you get some really nice legs. That's what I call them, legs, and you'll see that coming up. But I did speed this up because I didn't want y'all to sit and watch me in agony as my muscles throbbed to get this guy where I wanted it to be. But I'm just swirling those paints around, kind of getting to a point where I can let some of that paint run off a little bit. So I'm going to sit here and watch with you, and this was really fun, guys. I love my cloud pours. You let me know in the comments what you think.